Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen E C3. So from any screen, you go to Home, Settings, General Display, Devices, Audio, go to Devices. You'll see there My Phone, and then there's a bin next to it. Click the bin, unpair, unpair. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2025 Citroen E C3. First of all, we're going to home screen, phone, no device connected. We'll click on there. You'll see there that's Bluetooth is on blue. If it's not, then all you have to do is just touch it. Now it gives you the scan for devices. We click scan for devices. It's showing on the bottom left. Click on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Pairing in progress. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Confirm. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Device paired. Connection in progress. Now also this comes up. I'm going to click connect quickly. But in order for Apple CarPlay to play when your device is closed, you have to click that button. Apple CarPlay's come up now. Apple CarPlay is the best system ever. I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav. So from home there, home, the arrow, you've got to agree that you're not going to get distracted. So here we go, that's your screen. The search or address. So we'll click on there. And I want Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We need to go to numbers, so the 1, 2 there, 5, 4. Go back to ABC there, EA, OK. PR5, 4EA. That was it, Blackburn Road, High Walton. Click on there, and then click start. That's it. Once you've got Apple CarPlay, it's so easy. Press for 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Comes up there, go. You don't need to touch go. It will just automatically start navigating. Take me to Subway.
One possibility I see is Subway on London Way in Preston. It adds 2 minutes to your route. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Subway.
So that diverts you to Subway, and then as soon as you've been to Subway, it takes you back to your original destination. 2 seconds on the voice activation. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Right, I'm just holding this for the purposes of this video. Call Barry.
Do you want to use the phone app?
Yes, please.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
As you see it call me, but my phone, it's engaged. I'm using it. So it's as easy as that. You want to text somebody. Now, again, I'll keep this open for the purposes of this, but I wouldn't need to hold this. You wouldn't need to touch it. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in this Citroen E C3. It's fantastic.
It says, I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in the Citroen E C3. It's fantastic. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
You'll see there, I've got the text, but in all likelihood it's probably going to be in my pocket, but it's going to be out of sight anyway. So you just get here, if you look here, you'll see there's a 1 come up. So I've got 1 message, and I'll be dying to know what it is. All you have to do, 2 seconds voice activation, read text.
Barry said, I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in the Citroen E C3. It's fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
CarPlay system's absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.